One thing I recommend, especially for restaurants, is MMS, videos, images, GIFs. The reason being is, food is so visual. And if I'm hungry, it's a good time to show me something, especially like Boston Market. You got the chicken and, all that good stuff, and you can have it look really good on the screen. Maybe you could do a GIF and it could circle through some products. Just a text, base message really doesn't, whet my appetite essentially. So that would be if you're a restaurant, I would definitely be using, images and GIFs and videos almost in every single message. So Boston Market, they're starting right off with their name. Black Friday, 3-day BOGO offer, buy one individual meal and drink, get one individual meal free. One kind of comment here, I call it the McDonald's methodology of promotions, is always put the promotion up front and then the qualifiers below. So in this scenario, what I would do is I would say, get one individual meal free. And then I put paragraph break, when you buy one individual meal and drink, or something like that, and you see this with McDonald's, they nail it every single time. Watch any ad or look at any, print magazine and you'll see it. It's always, get a free fry when you buy, Coke and, 6 burgers. And that's the qualifier, but the promotion's at the very top. And then they have the coupon, so that's, I guess, the coupon, again, what do I do here? Do I go into Boston Market and do I show this text message? Do I have to show them the coupon? Also, if you're showing them a coupon, why not just put it in the MMS message? Put, if you're gonna have a big, juicy chicken, put the UPC barcode at the bottom. So it's very obvious. Here is the thing I need to show, and they can scan it on the mobile phone. And then stop for stop is at the end. That could be, again, at the very, very bottom. And again, you only need to put stop instructions in your message once per month. That is the minimum. Maximum, you can put in as much as you want, but once per month is the minimum. So you don't have to put it in every single message.